Hello friends, in this video we intend to thoroughly and professionally review the LBank Exchange. From the fee structure to deposit and withdrawal methods, Launchpad, customer support, and even user restrictions. So if you want to get familiar with all the details of this exchange, stay with us until the end of this video. LBank Exchange is one of the international centralized exchanges that started its operations in 2015 and has managed to attract many users by offering extensive services, proper security, and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading tools. Currently, this exchange supports more than 800 tokens in the spot market and also offers features such as futures trading, direct cryptocurrency purchase, an earn section, and other attractive options. Next, we will go through all the sections of this exchange step by step together. The registration process on the LBank Exchange is very simple. When we enter the official website of the LBank Exchange, we can register by clicking on the sign up option and entering either our email address or phone number. After entering an email address that we have not previously used to register on this exchange, we click on the sign up option, and by entering a chosen password, which must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, we click on the register option. At this stage, a code for email verification is sent to our registered email address. Open the inbox of the registered email address, and as you can see, we have received the email. Copy the code from this section and paste it here, then click on the confirm option. Your account has been successfully created on the LBank Exchange, and you are now on the main dashboard of the LBank Exchange. To complete identity verification, go to the profile section, and as you can see, it indicates here that your account is not verified. Click on this option to enter the verification section. In this part, you need to select your country of residence and the type of documents you wish to upload, then click on the confirm option. In the next step, you need to specify which country you are from. Here, after selecting your country and the type of documents you want to upload, click on the Continue option, and at this stage, by clicking on Choose, you can upload the documents required for your identity verification. The verification process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Keep in mind that you can use this exchange even without KYC, but identity verification is required for withdrawals. Let's return to the main dashboard. After completing the identity verification process and uploading the documents, our account status changed to verified. The first section is about buying crypto, which allows users to easily purchase their desired cryptocurrency directly with fiat currencies, without needing much technical knowledge. Currently, this section includes two main options: one-click buy and fiat deposit. In the one-click buy section, instant purchase with a single click, this option is designed for users who want to buy cryptocurrency very quickly and with minimal steps. In this case, the exchange uses intermediary payment gateways such as NoonPay, Mercurio, or Simplex. The features of this section include support for over 100 fiat currencies such as the US dollar, euro, Saudi rial, Turkish lira, rupee, and others. Instant purchase with international bank cards like Visa and MasterCard, direct conversion of fiat currency to cryptocurrency, for example, USD to USDT, and the requirement for identity verification depending on the selected gateway. At this stage, the user must select the currency they intend to pay with in the Buy section in the I will pay field. This currency can be any of the more than 100 currencies supported on the LBank platform. These include the US dollar, euro, Turkish lira, Indian rupee, and many other currencies that you can see in this section. Then, in the I will receive field, we select the cryptocurrency we want to purchase. Usually the default option is USDT Tether, but it is also possible to choose other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. In the next step, after selecting the types of currencies, the user must enter their desired amount. As soon as you enter a number in the payment amount field, the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency you will receive is automatically calculated and displayed for you. The exchange rate is also specified for you at the bottom of the form. By clicking on the Buy USDT option or any other cryptocurrency you have selected, you move on to the next step. In this stage, the platform connects the user to one of the third-party payment service providers. After clicking the Purchase button, you will be redirected to one of the intermediary payment services such as MoonPay and others. On this page, the user must enter their international bank card information. Also, depending on the selected platform, identity verification may be required. After the payment is confirmed, the purchased cryptocurrency will be deposited directly into the user's internal wallet on the LBank Exchange, and we can check the transaction status through the order history section. Please note that the purchase fee is usually between 2 to 5% and will be disclosed to the user before final confirmation. It is recommended to enable two-factor authentication before making any transactions. The same applies to the withdrawal section. We select the sell option and enter the items we want. The next section in the Buy Crypto section is related to fiat deposit. As you can see, the Order History option at the top of the page allows you to review your transaction history and use filters to search for and find the specific transaction you want. The next part is related to fiat deposit. In this section of the LBank Exchange, traders are able to directly fund their accounts using fiat currencies such as USD, EUR, and others, and then receive the equivalent amount in Tether, USDT. It should be noted, however, that currently only USDT is supported as the destination cryptocurrency. Everything in this section is done simply and quickly in 3 steps. Log into your account and complete identity verification. First, you need to log into your user account and complete the identity verification process. The information you enter must fully match your identification documents. The second step is activating your wallet account, which needs to be done after your KYC is approved. This intermediary payment service is used for making deposits and is provided by LBank's official partner, Wallet.com. And the final part concerns depositing or withdrawing fiat currency. After activation, you'll be able to deposit your desired amount in dollars or other supported currencies through the wallet. In the Amount section, you enter your desired amount. For US dollars, the limit is set between $10,000 and $10,000. Select your desired currency from the drop-down menu. For example, we choose USD as the fiat currency you want to deposit, and currently, the only available option is Wallet, which is used as the intermediary payment service. And finally, after completing the information, you start the deposit process by clicking the Deposit button. The important and essential points explained to you in this section are to make sure that your account information matches the information you provided during identity verification. If there is any discrepancy, the transaction may fail and the funds will be returned within 7 to 14 business days. Also, internal fiat transfers are not supported. Transferring fiat balances internally between LBank accounts is not possible. Wallet service. This payment service is provided by LBank's official partner, Wallet.com, and operates independently from the exchange itself. It is possible that your identity verification information may be shared with third-party service providers in order to complete your payment process. For withdrawals from your account, the process is the same. You simply enter the amount. Select the desired currency, choose the withdrawal method, and by entering your email address and clicking on the withdraw option, your withdrawal will be processed. The Fiat deposit section in the LBank Exchange provides a simple and secure way to directly deposit fiat currency. Traders, simply by completing the identity verification steps, activating their wallet account, and entering the amount, can receive the equivalent in Tether and enter the world of cryptocurrencies. This feature is especially useful for those who want to make their initial purchase without intermediaries or local exchanges. Please note that some gateways are blocked in countries like Iran or Afghanistan. To compare the two methods, I should mention that one-click buy is faster, but the conversion rate may be less favorable. On the other hand, fiat deposit is suitable for traders who have higher purchase volumes or need to manage their fiat balance. In terms of security, both methods use verified gateways, but be sure to use Google Authenticator for your account, and depending on the payment gateway, the fees for both methods may vary. The fees range between 2 to 5% and are usually displayed to you before final confirmation. Regarding KYC, different gateways have different requirements for identity verification. For example, MoonPay requires identity documents, but some gateways operate up to a certain amount without KYC. The next section is about the markets, where you can view categorized and real-time information at a glance. Each cryptocurrency is displayed along with its trading symbol and the percentage change in its price. You can see the trending cryptocurrencies in this section. These are cryptocurrencies that have experienced significant growth or attention in the short term. And below that, you can see cryptocurrencies that have recently been added to the exchange or whose trading has just started. The next section is gainers, which specifically displays cryptocurrencies that have had the highest price growth in the past 24 hours. The following section is related to hot futures. Hot futures refers to cryptocurrencies in the futures market that have had the highest volume or the most significant changes. The market section is a very useful tool for tracking trends, discovering new cryptocurrencies, and identifying short-term trading opportunities. If you want to stay ahead of the market or are looking for profitable opportunities during the day, make sure to check this section daily. Let's enter the dedicated market section. In this section, you can monitor the status of various cryptocurrencies in real time. Filter your desired market and identify suitable trading opportunities. You can see the main categories in the top menu of the market, which includes several tabs for quickly categorizing the markets. The first section is favorites. The cryptocurrencies you have starred are displayed here, or those you monitor most closely. The next section is newly listed. This is a list of tokens that have recently been added to the LBank Exchange. You can view them in this section. The next section is related to the spot market, where all cryptocurrencies available for spot trading are displayed, suitable for instant buying and selling. The next option is related to the futures market. These are cryptocurrencies with futures contracts that are used for leverage trading. And the last section is related to altcoins. You can review tokens that have been listed on LBank through Launchpad or initial offerings in this section. Further down, it is possible to filter based on the base currency. You select your desired currency. USDT, which is the main headline of the markets. Other cryptocurrencies may also be selectable in this section. By selecting the All option, all available currencies are displayed without any base currency limitation, and you can see the thematic categorization of the markets in this section. There are more advanced options for filtering markets by theme. Top cryptocurrencies in terms of volume or performance. The next section features trending or high growth currencies. meme tokens like Shiba, Doge, and similar ones. Pre-market tokens are those that have not yet been listed but are in the pre-sale stage. By selecting any of these sections, you can review the relevant cryptocurrencies. The next section is for projects related to artificial intelligence. The following section is for projects related to decentralized science, pump, which includes cryptocurrencies with sharp price increases. The next section is for innovative projects. Ton Eco is related to projects within the Toncoin ecosystem, and BTC Eco pertains to projects connected to Bitcoin and its infrastructure. Sol Eco is for projects associated with the Solana ecosystem, and DePIN relates to decentralized infrastructure networks. The next section is about blockchain games. The next section is related to decentralized finance and other categories. These filters help you more easily find projects that are relevant to your area of interest. The market section in the LBank Exchange is a powerful tool for analyzing market conditions. By using precise categorization, various filters, and real-time data, you are able to gain a better understanding of investment or trading opportunities. In the table you see the pair section refers to the trading pairs and displays the full name of each pair. In this section, you can check the latest price that has been traded in the market. This number is updated in real time. The next section relates to the 24-hour changes. The percentage change shows you the price change percentage of the cryptocurrency over the past 24 hours. This number may be positive and shown in green or negative and shown in red, indicating the recent upward or downward trend of the token. The next section shows you the highest price in the past 24 hours, and the following section displays the lowest price the token has experienced in the last 24 hours. The 24-hour trading volume for the selected trading pair is shown to you in this section based on the 24-hour time frame. It is usually displayed in the base currency, for example USDT, and can serve as an indicator of the token's liquidity. In the operations section, there is a trade button which, when clicked, takes you directly to the trading page for the respective token, where you can start buying, selling, or analyzing. In this section, by entering your desired amount and clicking on the login or register option, you can open an account or log in to your account and proceed to buy and sell.
The next section is related to trading. By clicking on the Trade option, submenus appear that offer various features for conducting cryptocurrency trades. In this section, users are able to access two types of trading platforms: spot trading and leverage tokens trading. In the spot section, traders can instantly and directly trade cryptocurrencies with each other. The key features of this section include direct trading with base currencies such as Ethereum or USDT, instant settlement of orders after the trade is executed. It is suitable for day traders and newcomers, and since no leverage is used, profits and losses are solely based on actual price changes. On this page, you can view the price chart in three modes: basic, trading view, and depth. You are able to select different time frames, such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 4 hours, and 1 day. You can also view the market depth. By clicking this option, you can analyze the symbol under these conditions. In the order book section, the order ledger is displayed in real time, showing at what prices buy and sell orders are queued. This section helps you analyze the market depth and the sentiment of buyers and sellers. In the traders section, you are shown a list of recent trades. All completed trades for that currency pair are displayed to you in real time, including the time, price, and trade volume. In the Trade section, you can see the trading panel. In this section, the user can place their order using one of the following methods: limit order, market order, trigger order, and one cancels the other order, which is commonly known as OCO. The first section is for specifying the exact buy or sell price. The next section is for instant buying or selling at the best market price. In the Trigger Order section, you can place an order that is activated only when a specific price is reached. And in the last option is a combination of a limit and a stop order, where if one is triggered, the other is cancelled. In the Trade section, you can enter the amount of currency, for example BTC, and your desired price, and then finalize the trade. The minimum order amount for Bitcoin is usually as shown here in this section. For selling, it's the same process. You just enter the required information and click the sell option to carry out your trades. The fee rates are displayed at the bottom, where both the taker fee and maker fee are 0.1%. This means that if you place an order that is immediately matched with another order, it's a taker, or if you place an order that goes into the order book, it's a maker. In both cases, the fee is calculated as 0.1%. In the Orders section, you can view your active orders and order history here. Information related to open orders, order history, and completed transactions is displayed for you in this section. You can also view your real-time balance for the selected trading pair. For example, for the Bitcoin USDT pair, at the time of checking, it is being traded at approximately this dollar amount. The daily trading volume for this pair was over $160 million, which indicates high liquidity. Using this data, you are able to quickly analyze the market situation. The next section in the trading area is the Leverage Tokens option. By clicking on this option, a page opens up informing us that using leverage tokens on the LBank Exchange comes with high risk. If the market moves in the wrong direction, the price may approach zero. Users who use this service accept full responsibility for any potential losses, and the exchange bears no responsibility for them. By enabling this option and clicking on Got It, you confirm that you have accepted the terms. This section pertains to tokens that have a predetermined leverage. For example, 3x or minus 3x. Without needing to manage margin or worry about liquidation. The key features of this section are that there is no need for collateral or margin. There is no risk of liquidation, and profit and loss are calculated based on the leverage ratio, for example, 3 times the market fluctuation. It is suitable for professional traders who are looking to increase their profits in either bullish or bearish markets. The trading platform conditions in this section are also similar to spot trading, and you can review and observe various aspects exactly as in the previous section.
The next section is related to futures trading. This section is one of the advanced parts for professional traders who want to make the most out of market fluctuations. By clicking on this option, a page opens for us that states futures contract trading on LBank involves high risk and includes significant price volatility. Also, traders from countries such as Iran, the United States, China, and several other countries are not allowed to use this section. By clicking this option, you indicate that you have accepted the terms and conditions, and finally, you select the Confirm option. The overall structure of this section is such that trading is done on perpetual contracts. This means that unlike spot trading, you do not actually own the cryptocurrency. Instead, you open a position based on predicting whether the price will rise or fall. You are able to multiply your trading capital several times by selecting a leverage ratio, for example 10 times, 5 times, or even more. However, keep in mind that the higher the leverage, the greater the risk of liquidation and losing your entire investment in the trade. At the top of the chart, you can see the real-time details of each contract. The mark price is the price used as the basis for calculating profit and loss. The index price is the global market average price used to determine the fair price. In the funding rate and timer section, you can see the percentage paid between long and short traders, which is adjusted every 8 hours. In the 24-hour section, the high and low, meaning the highest and lowest daily prices, are displayed for you. In the next section, you can see the daily trading volume in terms of Bitcoin and USDT, and in the position section, the amount of open positions or open interest in the market is displayed for you. You can view the market depth and the order book in this section. Buy and sell orders are displayed for you separated by price and amount. The percentage ratio of buy and sell orders is specified at the bottom. For example, the ratio of buy orders is 49% and the ratio of sell orders is 50%. In the trading section, you are able to execute your trades in 3 different ways. Limit order, where you set your desired price, market order, which is an instant buy or sell at the market price, and trigger order, which sets a condition for activating the order, such as stop loss or take profit. And in the post-only section, you can have more control over how your order is executed. You have the option to select leverage from various levels, for example, up to 20 times leverage in cross mode. There is also the option to share margin between positions or use isolated mode, where each position has its own separate margin. Further down, the different types of positions are also displayed to you. You can open a long position if you think that the price of the asset will go up in the market, and you can also open a short position if you believe the price will go down instead. In the Position Management panel, you are able to carefully review and monitor your currently active buy or sell positions at any time. Open orders, order history, and copy trading orders. And in the Transaction History section, you can review your transaction history. The complete history of your futures trades is shown here, and your balance in the futures account is displayed in the Futures Assets section. Futures trading is very high risk. Extreme volatility, the possibility of liquidation, and negative funding rates are among the risks of this market. Also, according to LBank's regulations, users from certain countries, including Iran, the United States, China, North Korea, Syria, and Cuba, are not permitted to operate in the futures section. At the top of the chart, you can change the time frame to 1 minute, 15 minutes, 4 hours, or 1 day, and you can view the chart in either basic or trading view mode. The next section is about copy trading, which consists of 2 subsections. With copy trading, easy copy, and smart trade, you can easily select and follow your desired trader with just 1 click. And the copy trading events option, where periodic events are held for copy trading users, which include prizes, fee discounts, or special rankings. In the top lead trader section, several high-performing traders are showcased. Next to each one, you can see their related information, which includes the trader's name, number of followers, and profit percentage over the past 30 days. Let's open the first section. In the copy trading section of the exchange, a comprehensive list of top traders is presented, along with their performance statistics over the past 30 days. For each trader, information such as profit percentage, interest rate, maximum drawdown, and assets under management is clearly visible to users. Users are able to carefully review these important indicators, choose the trader that best suits their needs, and then automatically copy their trades. Some traders have achieved impressive profits in a short period, but it's also essential to assess their level of risk. Also, each trader has a limited follower capacity which may fill up quickly. At the top section, you can clearly see the top lead traders, and in the All Lead Traders section, all of the traders are displayed to you for your review. In the overall ranking section of top traders, criteria such as 30-day profit percentage, win rate, dollar profit amount, historical drawdown, copier's profit, and assets under management are displayed. For example, the trader Rocket Team Leader, with this amount of profit and an 89% win rate, has had an outstanding performance, but his copiers have collectively lost $27,000. On the other hand, Headmaster, with this amount of profit, has managed to generate over $37,000 in profit for his copiers. In contrast, traders like Leo, despite having profits of over 10,000%, have still caused losses for their copiers, which highlights the importance of carefully examining the drawdown and timing of entry. These statistics help users make better analyses and choose the right trader to copy. By clicking the copy option, you can easily copy this person's trades, and in the next section, which is copy trading events, traders can view the weekly reports related to copy trading. These reports, titled Weekly Recap, are published regularly every week. Each report includes an analysis of the top traders' performance, an introduction to successful strategies, and an assessment of the results of copiers from the past week. Reading these reports can help users choose the right trader for copy trading and provide a more precise understanding of the market situation and strategies. In this section, by simply selecting your desired trader and carefully clicking the copy option, you can start copying this person's trades and closely examine all the relevant details and information related to their transactions. The next section pertains to the Earn part, where various different options are offered in this menu for earning profits simply by holding tokens. The first part is related to the Launchpad, a place for participating in new and high-quality projects whose tokens have not yet entered the market, and where users can take part in the initial offering by holding specific tokens. In the Launchpad section of the LBank Exchange, innovative and high-quality projects are introduced to traders so they can participate in their initial offerings before they are publicly listed. On this platform, projects that you see in this section, such as Cooling, Meta Expand, and others, have been introduced, each operating in fields like the Internet of Things, AI-driven content, and the Metaverse. Each project has its own information. Traders can participate in purchasing these tokens by depositing at least a specified minimum amount of Tether, for example, 1/10 to 100th or 1/10 of USDT. Each project includes information such as the individual participation cap, total supply, and a specified time frame. This section provides an opportunity for early entry into projects with high growth potential. And from the top bar, you can review these options using filters. The next section is related to Launchpool, which in the LBank Exchange serves as a platform for discovering new and promising tokens. Traders can participate in projects in this section by staking specific tokens and, in return, receive reward tokens. Projects such as Stake, RealityX Column, and others are examples that have previously been offered in this section. Each project contains information such as participation period, total token supply, and its unique symbol. This method provides a suitable opportunity to enter emerging projects and receive tokens as rewards without the need for direct purchase. By clicking on Manage Funds, you can register and participate in this section. The next section is specifically related to the flexible feature, which in the LBank Exchange allows users to deposit their tokens without any lockup period and withdraw their tokens at absolutely any time they wish without restrictions. This type of investment is a suitable option for those who are looking to earn profits but do not want their assets to be locked up for a long period. For each asset, such as USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, a different annual interest rate is defined. For example, the interest rate for USDT is about 6%, while for Han it is over 100% per year. Traders can select their desired token to receive daily profits and are able to view their performance and realized profits in this section. By clicking on the Hold to Earn option, you can start depositing. By clicking on this icon and using the search bar in this section, you can search for your desired cryptocurrency. The next section is about the lock-it part. This section is suitable for those who are looking for higher returns with more stable investments. In this method, you lock your tokens for a specific period of time, and in return, you receive a higher interest rate compared to the flexible option. For example, some projects offer annual returns of up to 200%, but keep in mind that you cannot withdraw your assets until the end of the lockup period. The lockup period is usually 30 or 90 days, and you can also see the staking progress percentage for each project. The Earn section is a way to earn profits by depositing tokens, which includes two types: flexible with free withdrawals and lower returns, and locked with higher returns. Traders can choose one of these two methods depending on their investment goals and time frame. The next section is about the bonus center, which consists of 4 subsections. The first part is related to the bonus center. Complete tasks to claim rewards, which is the main hub for receiving bonuses and rewards on the LBank Exchange. In this section, traders are able to receive rewards by completing specific activities. This section allows users to earn various rewards by completing missions such as spot and futures trading, inviting friends, or completing identity verification. These rewards can include bonuses usable in futures, free tokens, discount coupons, or gift cards. Some campaigns are held for a limited time, and users who meet certain requirements, such as having a specific balance or trading volume, can enter a lottery or receive rewards directly. Also, the bonuses received are usually not directly withdrawable, but the profit earned from trading with them can be withdrawn. This section provides an excellent opportunity for both active and new users to take advantage of additional benefits on the platform. The next section is about hot events. In this section, campaigns or competitions are held for a limited period of time. These campaigns may include things like trading competitions, lotteries, investing in specific projects, or engaging on social networks. And usually this section is dedicated to newly listed projects or new collaborations with blockchain projects. The rewards in this section are usually limited and exclusive. Therefore, being quick to register and participate is important. Sometimes you can enter the lottery just by registering or performing a simple activity like making a trade. The next section is about airdrops. Receiving free tokens by participating in airdrop campaigns. Airdrops are one of the most common ways for new blockchain projects to promote themselves. LBank allows users to easily participate in these airdrops and receive free tokens. The way to participate is that you need to connect one of your accounts to the airdrop, and sometimes you are required to do activities such as following the projects on Twitter, joining their Telegram, or registering your email. After fulfilling the requirements, the tokens will be deposited into your account once the campaign ends. Make sure to check that the project is truly reputable and that the airdrop is legitimate. And some airdrops are not done automatically, so you need to claim the token yourself after the campaign ends. The next section is about gift cards. In this part, you can send gift cards in the form of cryptocurrency to others, or use your own gift cards. These gift cards are usually sent as tokens like USDT or BTC, and you can add the balance to your LBank wallet by entering the gift card code. Some gift cards are issued by LBank as rewards and include discounts or free credit for trading. The main use of these gift cards is usually for gifting to friends and acquaintances. It is also used to attract new users and take advantage of campaign rewards. The Bonus Center section in this exchange is a golden opportunity for active users to receive airdrops without any cost or through simple activities like trading, participate in exciting events, or use gift cards. In the Historical Orders section, you can review all your orders in general, and by clicking the Buy option here, you can purchase your desired gift card. In this section, the information related to the gift card will be displayed to you. The next section is related to the deposit option in this exchange. This section includes two options, one chain and one click buy. In the first part, if you already have cryptocurrency, you can use this option to transfer the crypto directly from your personal wallet or another exchange to your LBank account. This transfer is done through blockchain networks such as TRC20, ERC20, BEP20, and so on, and requires selecting the network type, the destination address, and sending from the source wallet. In this section, you select your desired cryptocurrency, and by choosing your preferred network and either scanning this QR code with your mobile wallet or copying the wallet address, you can complete the transfer. Please note that the minimum deposit amount for each cryptocurrency is displayed here, and after scanning, the deposit process will be completed for you. At the bottom of the page, you can check and review all the relevant details related to your transaction history, and if you do not receive the amount after a few minutes, you can follow up on the issue by selecting this option. The next option is one-click buy, which allows you to directly purchase crypto using fiat currencies such as dollars, euros, rials, etc. through a bank card and intermediary payment services if you don't already have any cryptocurrency. This method is very convenient for new users and does not require transferring from an external wallet. In the buy section, you can use fiat currency such as USD to purchase USDT, for example, with just a few dollars. In the I will pay section, you enter the amount of currency you want to pay, and in the I will receive section, the amount of currency you will receive in exchange for your payment is displayed. If you are buying, this means the amount of crypto you will receive, and if you are selling, it is the fiat currency you will get. And further down, the real-time exchange rate between USDT and the fiat currency USD is displayed for you. And if there is a dash in this section, it means the rate has not been updated yet or the server is not connected. Please note that in this section, the single limit for buying and selling is indicated to you, and after entering the amount by clicking on the Buy USDT option, your purchase transaction will be completed. You can check the supported payment methods in this section, where a wide variety of payment options have been conveniently provided for users. These have been provided for the convenience of users and include international credit cards, mobile wallets, payment via PayPal account, and more than 200 other methods depending on the country and payment provider. To complete a buy or sell operation, the user may be redirected to a third-party platform such as MoonPay, Mercurio, and so on, where they will need to register or log into their account. Ultimately, you will be able to buy or sell cryptocurrency through that same platform and make the payment using your preferred payment method. In the order history section, you can review your transaction history, and by applying filters in this section, you can easily access your transactions. You can check the withdrawal section from the assets area under the withdrawal tab. In this section, you can manage your digital assets precisely and initiate withdrawals from here. At the top of the page, you will see tabs that guide you to different sections for assets and transaction history. Spot refers to the assets in your spot account, which are your regular trades. Futures are the assets related to futures trading. In the Earn section, you can find assets that have been invested in the earning section. Order Center is where you can view and track your open and closed orders. Funding history contains the records of your account deposits and withdrawals. And asset analysis provides an overall analysis of your assets and portfolio composition. In the withdraw section, you can withdraw cryptocurrency. In the first step, you need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. For example, Bitcoin or any other token. The second step involves entering the withdrawal address, where in the on-chain transfer section, you enter the destination address in the address field. Carefully select the desired network precisely. Make sure that the network you select on the destination platform exactly matches the network you choose in LBank. And after entering the information, click on the Confirm or Submit button that becomes active for you to register your withdrawal. You may also need to confirm via email or enter a two-factor authentication code. At the bottom of the page, your withdrawal transaction history is displayed. In the first section, you can review withdrawals related to Bitcoin, and in the second section, you can check all withdrawals. The next section pertains to internal transfers. In this section, you can transfer your assets between your different accounts within the exchange. For example, from your spot account to futures or vice versa. This is an internal transfer operation and it is carried out without any fees. In the From and To sections, you specify the source and destination of the transfer. Here you select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, and in the Amount section, you enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. The minimum transfer amount is also displayed here. And after you have filled in the required fields, the Confirm option will become active. By selecting it, the transfer operation will be carried out. Please note that this transfer is only between your internal accounts and does not incur any fees or require network confirmation. The operation is usually completed instantly and immediately. In the Assets section, you can have a comprehensive and detailed overview of your assets. In the Assets Overview section, this page gives you a complete and summarized view of all your assets across different parts of your account, such as Spot, Futures, Earn, and others. It's a very useful tool for real-time monitoring and checking the overall status of your capital. This section includes main tabs at the top of the page, where the Spot option displays the assets held in your spot trading account. Futures shows the assets used in your futures trading account. Earn relates to assets that have been deposited to earn interest, and the Order Center section gives you access to your order history. The Funding History section pertains to the history of your deposits and withdrawals, And Assets Analysis provides analysis and charts of your asset performance. In this section, the total value of your assets is displayed, broken down by markets and token type. Here, your realized or unrealized profit or loss for today is shown. This information is useful if futures trading is enabled or there are price changes in spot trading. And in this section, your main asset list is displayed. Amount shows your balance of each token, price is the current market price for that asset, and action refers to options such as transfer, trade, or withdrawal. Keep in mind that this section is very important for real-time evaluation of your investment value, and you can enter each tab separately for a more detailed review. For example, you can check only futures or only earn. Price and balance information are updated live in real time, and you can see the deposit, withdrawal, and transfer options in each section. By clicking the Connect option, traders can link their crypto wallets such as MetaMask or other Web3 extensions to their account on the LBank Exchange. This connection enables direct interaction with decentralized assets, especially for use in areas such as NFTs, Web3, or participating in launchpads. The next section of the user dashboard in the LBank Exchange relates to account settings and additional user services. Next, we will explain each section to you in detail and with expertise. At the top of the page, you can see your user information. Your registered email address is displayed, and the UID is the user's unique identifier in the exchange, which is used for quickly identifying the user's account. Usually, when contacting support, providing the UID is necessary, and the verified option, if this label is active, means that the user has successfully completed the identity verification process. The following sections are the main parts of the account settings. The first part is self-service. In the security section, all security settings related to your account can be managed. This section is designed to enhance account security, prevent hacking, and protect your digital assets. Email, mobile, and two-factor authentication for safer login and withdrawals. A financial password for extra security during transactions. An anti-phishing code to distinguish official emails from fake ones. A withdrawal whitelist to restrict withdrawals only to trusted addresses, and identity verification for full access to account features. Enabling these options increases the security level of your account to higher states. The next section is related to LBK membership, where information about the LBK token, the exclusive token of the LBank Exchange, and its economic system is displayed to you. LBank claims to be a trading platform with a self-governing structure and introduces LBK as the symbol of this structure. So far, more than 1.7 billion LBK tokens have been burned. More than 6.5 million tokens are currently being staked, and $25.5 million have also been spent on buybacks of this token. The next section is related to referrals. In this section, there is a dedicated link for inviting friends. By referring others, both you and the person you refer can receive rewards. The details of the commission rate can also be seen in this section, and from the various parts of this section, you can review the relevant information. Your dedicated link is recorded in this section, and by clicking the copy option, you can send it to your friends and acquaintances, or by clicking the invite friend option, you can directly invite your friends. The next section is related to My Red Packets. Gifts and rewards are given as red packets, which are cryptocurrency bundles with random amounts. These are usually gifted by friends or the LBank team during campaigns, and you can review the items related to your profile in this section. The next section is My Coupons. Discount coupons for fees or trial funds, test capital for futures trading, are stored and available for use in this section, and you can review the history of your coupons here. The next section is specifically related to My API, which is particularly useful for users who want to connect their LBank account to various bots or their own personal software applications. This API allows access to detailed account information, various types of trades, withdrawals, if enabled, as well as market data, such as prices and volumes. If you wish to create a brand new API, you can easily do so through this particular option provided here. And finally, the last option is specifically for logging out of your account. And by selecting this option, you will be able to log out of your LBank account in a much more secure and protected manner, ensuring your information remains safe. This section plays a central role in account management. Providing a precise introduction to these options is very important for both beginner and advanced users. The next section is about the live chat with the exchange's support team, which you can access through the live chat option to communicate with support. In the first step, by entering your first and last name and your registered email address and clicking on the Chat Now option, you can connect with the support team. At first, a chatbot will appear that answers frequently asked questions and common issues. After selecting the support language, if you do not receive a suitable answer from the bot, you have the option to connect to a human operator who will respond to you in real time. By clicking on the Chat with Human option, you will be connected to a human support agent. Usually, at different times of the day and night, human support responds to you relatively quickly and professionally. In the live chat, our goal was to find out whether direct conversion is possible in LBank or not, so we contacted support. The official response from the representative was that currently the direct conversion feature, like what is available in other exchanges with a single click, does not exist in LBank. However, you are still currently able to sell your existing tokens using the spot trading section and simply receive USDT in return through the platform. The support representative also provided us with a relevant guide link so you can see the exact steps of the process. In general, always use the live chat section for quick questions or technical issues, because the combination of initial responses by the bot and the option to connect to a human support agent provides a fast and practical solution. And after the chat ends, if you have any feedback, you can enter your opinion in this section and submit it by clicking the Submit button. These were the complete explanations regarding the review of LBank Exchange. If any part needs further clarification or if you have any questions, join us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitable trades.